If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day. Lexi Lu? 2 weeks ago. Fortuna? Why do I know this girl's name for? I feel like I've seen her before, or... Singing in 3 languages? English, Spanish, and Chinese. Spoiler alert. Oh, hold up. She could speak... Yo, y'all know about this? Y'all knew about this? Wanna see how dead you were. Oh, damn. Old school throwback. What the fuck? Damn, why everybody here pretty as hell? It's kind of funny, actually. Oh, you could laugh outside. Damn. Damn. I'm curious now. Oh, same name as the Charlie's Angels. Ah. Reading cards again. Oh yeah, tarot cards? What? Hey yo, why is it gonna turn up, huh? Is this shit gonna turn up? Fortuna. Hey, 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 hey. Okay. Hey, 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 hey. Calm down. Oh, she racing. Let's get it. Get that. Okay, number 3. Headband. Okay, she won. Get that. I don't know how this is going. Okay. She be switching up languages. You already know. We've been spoiled to that. All the lemons though. Ooh. Whoa. The what? Oh, that beat going off though. Oh, you're thinking about Lucy Liu. Oh yeah. If life gives you lemon, true cassette. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Hey. Oh, she winning it. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Lexi. Oh, now you're a superstar athlete. What? Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Ya lo sé. Here's the Wheel of Fortune. Fortuna. They still stay laughing. I love considering the reason for greatness. Oh, she got a lot of blood on her. What happened? No! What just happened? What just happened? Whoa! That beat kind of hits. No, it did, but I did not expect that ending. Oh, wait. Is this the same thing? Oh, it's the continuation! Chat. We got the continuation of Lexi Liu, Magician. What time did the live stream start for the Game Awards? I think 5:30. We're not accepting any requests yet. This right now, Tam. But every Fridays, if you see K-pop and chill request open, that's usually when the requests are open. No more requests, yeah. Well, thanks for coming through either way. You know, no matter what the subject is, you guys are here because you down to just chill. Because of me, thankfully. What the? Hold on, we watching that again. So we're starting off with the right where we left off. Who donated this? Who requested this? I Santana? Okay. We out here. But yeah, I'm probably gonna get this. I'm gonna go through this and then probably watch the rest of the Game Awards if I can. If not, it's all good. I'll just check it out, the highlights, and see who won. What the hell? What are we doing? What's up, Harm King? How you doing? Magician. Ooh. Ooh, I like. What? Hey, yo. Lexi, who's your producer? Ooh, 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 ooh. What's up, Savvy? We're watching Lexi Lu, who speaks 3 different languages. Spanish. The last one was called Fortuna, which she spoke English, Chinese, and Spanish. So we're about to find out. Ooh. Come through, Daft Punk. Ooh, 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 ooh. What an interesting beat too. Like the choice. Okay. Ooh. It feels very video gamey too. Ooh. Ooh. I worked that magic? Okay. Okay. Oh, hey yo. Wait, how old is she? How old is, wait, hold on. We gotta check. We checking something. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, you 23. Okay, Gucci. Okay. D&B style is neat. The drum switcher was nice. Yeah. Like this part right here stands out a lot to me. Like when it switches up a bit. Where's she? Is she riding a mechanical bull? What's... This is fire! This is fire! Like badass. It's different too. Damn, she got abs for days. True. I got abs too, chat. It's just under some fat. Like there's some fat over it, but it's there. Damn, this whole like, so there was a music video before this called Fortuna that I was like the prequel to this. So this is the continue. Oh, damn, girl. What? Interesting. Ooh, that background? That vocal in the back? Ooh. Okay, wait, what happened now? Oh, they're both dead from the accident, right? But Salvi said the drums are more traditional there, and it gives off an OST vibe with the chorus, the part you like. It's meant to sound like it's reaching a huge climax. Yeah, it is, but I don't know if we kind of get it, the climax.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.